Good. Can you say hi? Can you be a little more polite? Would you like to introduce yourself? Are you famous? What keeps you safe? Good. Are you a pirate? Can you blow a kiss? Can you toot? That's gross. All right, how about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? Good. How about a pig that needs to go on a diet? How about your best friend the skunk?
Stinker.
Stinker. Can you fall down? Did that hurt?
Ow, ow, ow.
Cry like a baby? Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Good. About a big cat from the jungle? Can you fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. That sounds evil. Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? What'd you do for a peanut? Good. Can you get down? Can you sing? How about some opera? Figaro? Good. Can you sing in the shower? Good. Yeah. Bow, 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 bow. Good. And that also kind of sounds like Rocky Top. Bow, 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 bow. Good. Do you happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Good job.